Let's look at question number 22. The work function of sodium metal is 4.41 into 10 raised to power minus 19 joules. A photon of wavelength 300 nanometers, 300 nanometers are incident on the metal, the kinetic energy of the ejected electrons will be, So, we know that the incident energy is equal to the work function plus kinetic energy. What we have to find out? The kinetic energy. Now, incident energy, because we are given wavelength, so I will write hc by lambda. This is equal to the work function, right, which I am writing as Er plus the kinetic energy. Now, let us put down the values. What is the value of h given to us? It is given as 6.63 into 10 raised to power minus 34 multiplied by the value of C is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 divided by 300 nanometers, that is 300 into 10 raised to power minus 9. I am writing it as 3 into 10 raised to power minus 7, right. Now, this is equal to Er or the work function, which is given to be 4.41 into 10 raised to power minus 19 plus kinetic energy, right dear friends. Now, we have to do a bit of a calculation over here. See, this is minus 17 goes up, becomes 10 raised to power 15, 3 goes by 3. So, 10 raised to power 15 and multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 34, you will be getting 6.63 into 10 raised to power minus 19. This is equal to 4.41 into 10 raised to power minus 19 plus kinetic energy. So, from here the kinetic energy will be, see, it will be simply 6.63 minus 4.41. So, you are going to get 2.22 into 10 raised to power minus 19 joules, right. Nothing can go wrong from here. No, still you can be wrong. How come? See, they are given 10 raised to power minus 21 joules and our answer was in 10 raised to power minus 19 joules. Okay. So, if we write the answer to be 2.22, we will be wrong. The right answer will be 222 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 21 joules. So, dear friends, we have to write the answer as 222. Okay. Now, let us look at question number 23. The heat of combustion of ethanol into carbon dioxide and water is minus 327 kilocalorie at constant pressure. So, basically enthalpy is given to us. The heat evolved at constant volume and the given temperature. So, basically delta U, that is internal energy change, is being asked. As I can see this question, the point where you can commit a silly mistake is in the units. Here they are giving the value in kilocalorie and asking the value in calories. Okay. So, pay attention to this. First step is to write the combustion equation. See, 1 mole of ethanol requires 3 moles of oxygen gas to form 2 moles of carbon dioxide gas, and since we are taking the temperature at 27 degrees Celsius, I will say 3 moles of H2O liquid. Okay. So, equation is there with us. We can find out delta Ng, which will be 2 minus 3, which is minus 1. Now, we can go to the formula, that is delta H is equal to delta U plus delta Ng RT. Okay. So, what we have to find out? We have to find out delta U. So, delta U will be equal to delta H minus delta Ng RT. As they are asking delta U in calories, so I will change the values in calories. For delta H, the value given is 327 kilocalorie. So, I will use it as minus 327 000 calorie, okay, minus delta Ng is -1, the value of R is given to be 2, and the value of temperature will be 300. So, this is -327,000 plus 600, right? Okay. So, your answer will come out to be -326400 calorie. Okay, dear friends. So, answer should be -326400 calories. Pay attention to this part that rest everything you might be knowing, but just because you are not using the right units, you will lose your marks. Okay.